Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, nature and God has a way of giving sense to the senseless. So if you say you don't have any sense, nature and God has a way of bringing you back down to earth and bringing you to heal. So with that guys, I bring you this. Buhari's daughter in self-isolation after returning from the UK. So this is the daughter of Malam Buhari, of course, that we're talking about. The same Malam Buhari that's been hiding away in Aso Rock, acting aloof, saying there's nothing going on globally and that the Fulani headsmen can handle it and whatever it is that is thinking. But of course, it is now being brought home to his very own home, his very own house now. So again, the headline, Buhari's daughter in self-isolation after returning from the UK. So now let's now see what's being weighed upon the Malamis family. President Muhammadu Buhari's daughter is in self-isolation after returning from the United Kingdom. This was disclosed by the First Lady Aisha Buhari in a series of tweets released today, Thursday, March 19. The First Lady also revealed that she has shut down her office for 2 weeks. She disclosed that some of her staff also returned from the United Kingdom, hence the reason for taking the decision. Good afternoon, Nigerians. Earlier today, my daughter returned from the United Kingdom, being amongst the high burden listed countries of COVID-19. Based on the advice of the Honorable Minister of Health, Presidential Task Force on COVID-19, and the NCDC, she is on self-isolation, not because she displayed any symptoms of COVID-19. Please, I urge all parents to do the same if possible, as prevention is better than cure. Similarly, I have shut down my office for 2 weeks with immediate effect, whilst essential staff can work from home as a result of some staff who recently returned from the United Kingdom, the tweet said. So this is now the First Lady. Whilst it's been reported that as the coronavirus continues to spread in different parts of the world, people have been advised to practice social distancing, but the idea of staying cooped up at home with nothing to do can be frustrating. To follow the social distancing and also participate in an activity that will release some of the frustrations that come with isolation, some families in the United States have decided to go to the movies. Instead of going to watch movies at a regular theater, families made the decision to go to drive-in cinemas as a precautionary measure. This allows them to have fun and also be safe from contacting the virus. This move by many of the families has become a blessing to owners of drive-in theaters. Many of them have reported an increase in sales of tickets in recent times since people were advised to practice social distancing. According to the Los Angeles Times, owners of drive-in cinemas in California, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Missouri revealed in interviews that they have reported ticket sales increase in their businesses. So really, essentially, what we were wanting to really get to, not the American part of the latter half of the piece, but really the fact that Malam Buhari's daughter is now having to self-isolate because she's, of course, living in the United Kingdom at the largest and of the blessings of the Niger Delta oil well. I don't know how many Niger Delta daughters are living of the Nigerian petrodollar in the United Kingdom, but certainly the whole Buhari family effectively lives in the United Kingdom. So now she has come home, and because of course the United Kingdom is in the throes of this situation that the world finds itself in, they are now feeling the need to isolate her. They are claiming she doesn't have symptoms, but of course you can take that with a pinch of salt. I don't know if she does or if she doesn't, but of course anything that comes out of these people I just disregard as just boju boju. But whatever it is, she's now having to self-isolate. But again, Malam Buhari continues to hide away in Aso Rock, acting aloof. So his own daughter is being protected and is being looked after by the all of the might and all of the wealth of the Nigerian state to cocoon her and cotton wool her within the Aso Rock space. But then, of course, what happens to the remaining 200 million people of that country is really where the question is, because there's no real direction, there's no national address. This guy continues to hide away in Aso Rock, acting aloof as though nothing is happening, even though the president of France is constantly on the news, minute by minute. The Prime Minister of Britain, same. The United States, same. The South African, same. The Ghanaian, same. The Chinese, same. The Malaysian, everybody is the same. All of the presidents in the world are constantly in the news, guiding their people through this period. But of course, Malam Buhari now, I mean, his own thing is just the Fulani headsmen will deal with it. Whatever is my own family, okay, then that is the end of it. Conversations in the comment section. The clueless president of the Nigerian space is the subject of conversation yet again. So this guy has enough sense to look after his own family, and woe betide the rest of you. The rest of you be damned, effectively, is what he's saying. But what says you? Come share thoughts about how this guy is managing this global situation within the Nigerian space in the comment section with me. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me now how you feel about how Malam Buhari is positioning himself in terms of this global situation that the rest of the world is on the front foot on, but Nigeria, of course, is on the back foot on, in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.